Lock it in, lock it in, yeah. It's the Joe Lockett Show. Lock it in, yeah. It's the Joe Lockett Show. Lock it in. Are you ready to be entertained, educated? A little stimulation for your brain. Lock it in. Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to laugh? Are you ready to love? Then lock it in, yeah. It's the Joe Lockett Show. Lock it in, yeah.
Go home. I'm sick and tired of Robin Thicke singing on every show, bitch. He done named a whole album after you, girl. Now what do he need to do to get you back?
You need to go home like LeBron.
Look, I'm telling you, the man is sorry. We get it. He can sing too. Anybody can sing can get their woman back. See, Paula started walking out that door. I would have told her, sit yourself down, girl, and talk to me. She ain't going nowhere. She ain't going nowhere. She come on back home. He done named albums, been on shows, singing everywhere. Paula go home. LeBron done went home. You can go home. Next thing I'm putting on the wood is I'm tired of going to restaurants, going to McDonald's, Burger King, Hamburger Heaven. And standing there, Hamburger Heaven. I'm standing there, somebody in front of the line of me, and they looking up at the board, taking 20 minutes to figure out what they want. You knew you wanted a hamburger with cheese when you left home. Why do you have to stand in the line right there in the restaurant and start figuring out what you want now? They got the same stuff they had last week when you was in there. You want a number one with cheese, get a number one. But y'all been there, y'all see them. They stand in the line and just look up at the sign like, and then had a nerve to change their order.
Oh, after they
place the order and get mad at the folks working there. You know what you want, and then you ain't got enough money sometimes.
Wow. Okay.
You know what the deal is.
Dino is putting it on the wood.
Dino had a bad week.
And this other thing that's bothering me, my neighborhood. Now, I done moved to a neyborhood, everybody acting nice and right.
They ain't doing what these neighbors were doing now.
Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I'm neighborhood watching my neighborhood. But you in the neighborhood, everybody trying to keep their property value up. Cut your grass. Keep your yard clean.
Now my dad probably raised up in the bed on that one because he's huge on that.
Yeah. I cut my grass every week. You cut your grass every week. Stop parking your car in the front yard. The car don't go in the front yard. The car goes in the driveway.
Not in the yard.
Not in the yard.
Wow.
Stop sitting on the front porch, hanging out, smoking and drinking. That's what the back deck for. Stop all that, and then stop being nosy like your letter. You know, that lady just being too nosy. You know,
what lady?
The lady, you know, the other lady that want her husband to tell.
She ain't being nosy. She trying to protect her family.
No, the other lady. The man, Steve.
The man
Steve's
wife. Okay.
Yeah, stop being nosy. Tell that ain't none of your business. We ain't got nothing to do with that.
You know, we didn't let Dino up in and he just put it on the wood.
I'm just putting it on the wood. And these some things that's just got to stop. They can't continue to go on.
Some people cause,
well, I'm sorry, but you know, send the letters to Joe Lockett.
Wow, what's up?
Send the letters to Joe Lockett.
Well, JoeLockettShow@gmail.com. I'm gonna forward them to Dino Post. That's all you got, bro? That's good?
Man, that's all that's on the wood.
That's enough. That's enough. I know that's enough, right?
You put enough on the wood.
I'm hot.
Wow.
Well, we're going to try to get those issues addressed for you.
Please.
Okay.
That neighborhood issue is big.
I know, right? If y'all Dino's neighbor, don't park your car on the driveway. In front of
his neighbor, look, when he drive at home, his neighbor's going to be standing out there looking at him.
Looking out. Hey, when you go over here, looking like...
Lock it in, lock it in. It's the Joe Lockett Show.